Welcome to Business Live. I am Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up, we got the Jamaica, the Caribbean, globe trotting here. This is NCB Financial Group. Recent and just, year to date, last couple of years, whopping results here. In this case here, some trading in their shares, a director purchasing, small amount of shares, but it's always great to see, getting some skin in the game. 21,300 units or shares during a recent period, August 17th to August 18th, 2020 in NCB Financial Group, NCBFG. Now moving on to Mayberry Investments, that's a securities dealer. Don't mix it up, with their actively traded, ETF, publishes its daily net asset value on the JSE, the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So Mayberry Investments coming up with some powerful appointments here. 2 appointments to be exact. So that's Miss Rachel Curlew has been appointed to the AVP role. That's Assistant Vice President, Investment Banking, effective August 17th, 2020. And another appointment here, that's Miss Lauren Innes to the Senior Manager, Investment Banking. So 2 appointments in the Investment Banking department here. That was effective August 1st, 2020. So both of them in terms of this month. Now, Caribbean Flavours and Fragrances, ticker symbol CFF, coming up with some action items here. Special Board of Directors meeting is coming up. The board is going to convene a special meeting, as we said, on August 27th, coming right up 2020. It's going to consider some special resolutions. Next up, we got Sygnus Credit Investments, that's SCI, coming out here with an extraordinary general meeting, that's an EGM. We got lots of big acronyms in the market right now, of course, AGMs, APOs, EGMs, and so we've been talking about a lot of them on Business Live. And so in this case, it's an extraordinary general meeting. It's going to be held September 29th, 2020 at 11 a.m. in St. Lucia. Last up, big news, overseas markets, US markets, that's what we focus on. Dow Jones, well over, let's say 28,100 points now. So going over 28,000 for a couple of times, 2 or 3 times now, last couple of weeks or a month. Apple also doing very well. Noted analysts, investment bank company Morgan Stanley saying that Apple at 2 trillion US or slightly above is cheap. It's undervalued. So Apple's been trading up, 8.5% or more during the past couple of sessions, 4 sessions to be exact. But the big commentary here is it is cheap, in terms of speaking about Apple. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.